capital range, and this is the left side oven. We're going to take off the doors. We're going to pull back on these little latches toward us on both sides, and then lift the door to about 20 degrees. And then once we do that, it's almost closed. We can lift it up and off of the hinges. Now we'll do the door. You're going to lift it up. You're going to set those forks into the oven and set it down 90 degrees, and then push these brackets back in. They fold in toward the oven, and then you should be able to close the door easily. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you with your capital range. Thanks so much for watching our video today. I hope that this video has saved you some time and money. And if so, could you please press down in the video description below the donation link and send us a donation so we can keep this service going. Thanks again, and if you have any questions about this repair, could you contact me at scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.